Here's a look at the January 2025 issue of MSW magazine. Brought to you by AWWA. The Utility Management Conference is for water and wastewater utility professionals, managers, and decision-makers. Attendees will gain actionable insights, proven strategies, and innovative solutions to address infrastructure, technology, and workforce challenges. Register today to connect with top water utility leaders, February 11th to 14th in Dallas. In our cover story, how do you uncover 150 years of buried surprises? Hamilton Water's inspection program is mapping undocumented sewer connections, tackling environmental spills, and upgrading its system for good. Find out the tools and tactics driving their success. Watsonville's wastewater team faced a tough challenge. Constant turnover left them scrambling to train new hires while preserving critical institutional knowledge. Their solution? A cutting-edge video training program that's keeping their operations running smoothly. What's the real story behind fluoride in drinking water? Turns out, it's not just about science, it's about trust. What if your city's parking lots could double as water treatment plants? Santa Monica found a way. Learn how they're turning stormwater into drinking water, underground, and setting a model for water self-sufficiency everywhere. Choosing the right solution for your pipeline repair and rehabilitation projects is the first step to success, and that first step begins on page 22. See how creative solutions, from smart pigs to light-curing liners, turned impossible sewer and water challenges into smooth operations. Check out how one utility is turning yard makeovers into water-saving powerhouses. From smart controllers to rebate-ready designs, learn how their easy program helps residents and municipalities alike. A simple job hazard analysis can uncover risks, boost safety, and keep your team injury-free, step by documented step. From LED CIPP curing systems to electric motors and advanced metering solutions, this roundup showcases game-changing tech for faster installs, smarter monitoring, and seamless repairs. Say goodbye to wasted time and hello to streamlined pipe fusion. The McElroy Triton 560 packs efficiency, safety, and cutting-edge tech into one powerhouse machine. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading MSW. See you next month.